So today we're going to be working on our scissor kicks. Now you might remember doing a similar exercise to this in school, and this is an awesome hip movement, lower body movement, but also gets most of the body engaged as well. So how this is going to work is we're going to open up our feet and switch our stance. Almost like you're running in place. Now, a couple things that I do want you to focus on when we're doing our scissor jumps is the front foot, when it steps outwards, we want to make sure to distribute the weight evenly across. A lot of the times, especially when we step up intensity, you're going to find yourself trying to push towards the front of your foot. We're going to try to avoid that and distribute the weight across our entire foot, in the front at least. With the back foot, if you're stretching a little further, it is completely fine for us to only be keeping the weight at the ball of our foot. So while we're doing this motion, make sure you are engaging your core as best as possible, and make sure you breathe throughout this exercise, because often we are doing it in a cardiovascular or endurance-based form. And that is our scissor jumps.